Hello everyone, we're here at Compadres Mexican restaurant in Northfield, Ohio. These guys, they have about 4 locations. They also have Compadres Mexican Grill Express locations where you can pick up whatever you want and eat it very fast. But this is a restaurant, Compadres Mexican restaurant in Northfield, Ohio. And so let's see it inside, guys. Remember, right now we have about 55 locations. Most of the restaurants are located in Northeast Ohio. Let's see how it looks. This restaurant is open every single day, as most of our restaurants in the locust.com. And remember, St. Patrick's Day is coming, so come here and celebrate, guys. I like to come here because of the music. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. Let's see the restaurant. Yes, this one. This is a beautiful restaurant. People here are very friendly, as you can see. Thank you.
Welcome.
And this is the bar, guys. Let's see where you can find their coupons and the specials. All you have to go, as always, go to the locust.com, DELOCUS, find the restaurant by name or city, and you will find their coupons and specials. They have buy one lunch or dinner, and receive a half off, 4 off when you purchase 25 or more. They have multiple discounts. Fajita, $9.99 all day, lunch specials. They have everything, guys. Remember, they have 4 locations in Northfield, Madison, Ohio, Painesville, Ohio. So let's see what we have here. We have Chelo. Chelo, how are you, Chelo?
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. What are we gonna do today? I know you wanna show me something. This is a drink that is very famous here at Compadres. What's the name?
Michelada.
Michelada. And so let's see what the michelada is. And this is one of the ingredients, right? What is this?
This is chamoy.
Chamoy. What about this?
This is it's a little spices. It's the tajin. The name is tajin.
Tajin. Okay. What about this one here?
It's the salsa de soya.
Soy sauce. Perfect. And you have some hot sauce over here. And I think this is pepper, right? Ah, this is good. And you have some lemon. And you have Tabasco salsa. And we have Bunny here. Bunny, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you doing good today?
Yes.
She's the wife's owner. She also owns the restaurant, obviously. So look at that. Very nice, Bunny. So Chelo is showing us how to make a michelada. Do you like micheladas?
Yes, they're really good and tasty.
Ah, that's good. So okay, let's make it. I wanna see how to make it.
Okay, michelada. What kind of beer?
Oh, what type of beers do you have?
We have the Corona, Negra Modelo,
Okay.
Modelo Especial, Pacífico, Tecate, Balay, Minelay, Coslay.
Wow, you have everything.
Yes.
Chelo, that's good. So I'm gonna go easy. I'm gonna get a Corona.
Okay.
So let's make it with the Corona.
Okay, Corona Light or Corona Regular?
Regular. Let's do
Okay.
regular.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, remember Compadres Mexican restaurant, Northfield, Ohio. We are making a michelada. So let's see, and I'm gonna taste it. I wanna taste it. How long have you been working here?
4 years.
4 years. That's good. So people know you here, right? That's nice. Look at that. So you have some lemon. This is a tall grass. And remember, if you come here, you get free salsa and chips with all your meals or drinks. You have some salsa. This is also a beautiful bar. It's a large bar, as you can see. So Chelo, tell me something. Do you have a family here? You have
My family is in California.
in California. So why are you here in Cleveland? It's so cold. California is nice and sunny.
Yes, pero me is coming for Ohio.
Oh.
Me study in Ohio, pero moving from different states.
Okay, so you're moving from state to state. You're getting some ice there. Corona, that's the beer I asked for, Corona. I like Corona.
Michelada.
Wow, so this is what I...
Ice.
Oh, and ice. So you see, guys, this is how a michelada looks. Let's see, I'm gonna taste it here. Do I drink it like this or with a straw or something? So this is, it has tomato, right? Tomatoes also. It has tomato, beer. It's a different drink, guys. It's salty at the same time. It is very good. I really like it. Chelo, thank you very much for your drink. And I'm glad I came here, and I'm gonna keep drinking my michelada.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you very much, Chelo. And guys, remember, go to thelocus.com, get coupons, specials, review your favorite restaurant. More restaurants are coming. Asian restaurants are coming, Indian restaurants. This is the place where you can find ethnic food, the best food in Northeast Ohio. We are growing. Hey guys, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hey, one more thing. If you give me a comment, tell me if you like the video, tell me if you like the restaurant, and have you tried micheladas? I want to hear from you if you have tried micheladas. Thank you. Bye-bye.